Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to view story insights on Facebook mobile. So you just need to get through your app and to sign in to your account, and here you need to create a new story just from here. So tap on the option, and right here as you can see you have different options. Either you can create a story with some tools, music, and you can edit the text and use boomerang and etc. And also you can take a picture right now, or record or film a new video. And also you can use some pictures or screenshots or anything else from your gallery. So let's just set an example with that one, and after you are finished of editing your story, you will go into share, and then you will click on or tap on OK. So I just created a story. Let's wait until it's uploaded. So once it's uploaded, I want you to go into your story, and where you can view the story insights. View the story insights on Facebook mobile. You will just go through this option on the bottom left corner and tap on it, and here you can see the or view the story insights on Facebook. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.